over the state.
Chiero mag ohala e kaunti ma Nzoia igeno ni kata e kaunti ma Nzoia igeno ni biro dok e wang'e nyakura Ramogi. Kata chiero mag ohala e gwenge mag Nzoia igeno ni biro dok e wang'e kaluwore kod yaorego kambi sukari ma Nzoia e romo kod jofwambo. Jakom mar board mar kambino Alfred Kangati ojiwo jopur niang' mondo ochwal nyingegi ni mar giloso maber kodaka nengo mar nyiewo niang'. Omedo ni piny owacho nowito oko gowi maromo bilion 47 mane kambino ni godo, komedo ni gopi jopur kod jotije kambino to ibiro chul kapok oromo Christmas.
And tumesema kuanzia next month moving forward we are going to have established and poaching and a unit here kali sana. Sasa mtu akifanya mchezo atanakuja kuiba miwa yetu. Seeing how we have suffered, farmers have suffered, na staff are suffering, itakuwa shauri yake. Hatutakuwa mpole kwake. Okay? Because even importing sugar from other commercial countries is not possible. It's not viable. They also don't have enough. If you are following, even India, they have put a cap to that matter. So that's why we are working frantically and looking at long term.
So tunawaomba kabisa wakulima wetu turudi shambani. That is where we are going to get money. Na tukirudi shambani, hii bei ya shilingi 650 for sure tukipiga hesabu tunaona kwamba itatuletea pesa. Mimi pia naye nimeingia shambani. Hata mimi nimetafuta shamba pande hii na ninaanza kupanda miwa. Kwa hivyo ninawaomba kabisa wakulima wetu.
And remember, even when Mumias and Nzoia and other factories were crashing capacity, still we could not meet the demand, the sugar demand. So now, if that was then, what of now, when we are having a very big challenge of raw material? That's where the problem is. So this is a challenge we have to live with for some time, and I want to encourage you.
Sirikand County